A toll bridge spanning a local river in Senegal is believed to be the longest of the kind in West Africa. The 1,600-meter steel bridge was financed by Senegal and China through the Export-Import Bank of China and built by a Chinese company in 4 years. A special ceremony was arranged Saturday, with Senegalese President Macky Sall attending, to celebrate the commissioning.
Ce soutien de la Chine au Sénégal, qui traduit de façon concrète notre partenariat stratégique autour de l'initiative La ceinture et la route, n'est pas une première.
The bridge was completed late last year and its construction had created 2,000 jobs. According to a local resident, travel time across the river has been reduced from at least an hour to a few minutes.